Today we will be building a video block. As inspiration, we are going to use this video block, which is not available inside any of our themes. Hence, anyone can join. I'm building it with the help of our FlexBlock plugin, and I'm using the Milea Classic theme. To recreate this block, you need to prepare in advance a PNG file with transparent elements, the text or logo. In our case, it's the text. It's this cut letters that you see. We'll be also sharing in the post the exact steps you need to follow to create a similar PNG in Photoshop. So make sure to check the description of the post. Now I will go back to my page. I'm using a test page that I created to play with my block. With the block, I will I will add a flex block, and I'll open the builder, and I will continue with adding a video element. With the video element, as well as with the other elements, you can reposition it, you can resize it, as well as with other elements. For the video element, there are some specific video options. So double click on the element, and here we have embed or self-hosted. With the first option, you can use a link to your video. You can use a YouTube link or a Vimeo link. With the self-hosted option, you would need to upload a video file. If you choose this option, make sure the file you upload is a small size file. I will use the embed option, and I will add the link. Here we also have the autoplay. With this option, the video starts to play automatically. With the loop, it plays continuously. With the mute, it doesn't have any sound. With the controls, so these are the controls option: the playback button, the sound, and the full screen option. The control options will only work for the self-hosted videos and for the YouTube video and the Vimeo Pro, but will not work with the embed Vimeo regular videos. Here you can also add a background or a cover cover image for the video, and you can also change the play button color. For example, make it white. If you don't want to have a color image as a cover, you can. But you want, for example, to add a text on top this video. In certain options, in certain cases, you would want to use a shape and make it dark. Make it dark, and Ctrl adjust the opacity here. So in this case, if you add text on top of this shape, the text will be more readable. For example, as in this, for example, now it's more readable. Also, we were discussing layers and how the main functionality of the layers is to control the visibility priority, and it's more helpful to use when we have overlapping elements. For example, here, if the text is below the video layer, it will not be visible, so make sure to place it and drag it on top so that it's visible. I will now make the video full screen. And I will add an image, and I will upload the image that we already prepared. It has this the text cut or transparent, and I will also make it full screen. I will increase the height of so that we can add the text here at the bottom. Now I will go in the text. Make the text white. Change the font. In some cases, when you want to select the video elements, but what it actually gets selected is the background, you can unselect it using the Ask tab or Escape. Now I will center the text. And I will save the block. I will go on and create the mobile layout of the block. I will add the desktop elements to the mobile editor. I choose to add only the video and the image. I don't want to keep the text, so you can add the text in a separate block below the video block if you want to keep it on mobile also. I will now group these two elements by holding Command Shift and creating the group, and I will now align it on top. I will go ahead and I will decrease the height of the block. Now I want to get rid of the white spacing. I'm going to leave it. And we can now preview the page, both layouts, the desktop and the mobile. I'm refreshing the page. Here's our mobile. Here's our desktop block, the block on the desktop, and here is our the block, the mobile layout of the block. And this is it, guys. I hope the video challenges are helpful. Please share with us whatever you create with FlexBlock, and wishing you a good day. Bye.